Welcome to my urban sanctuary. Have you ever caught yourself yearning for a bit of stillness amidst the relentless pace of a modern city? For me, this garden has evolved into something far more significant than a mere pastime. It's become a vital buffer against the daily grind. Even though the surrounding streets are constantly buzzing with activity, this secluded pocket of green remains remarkably untouched. Can you pick out the distant drone of traffic beyond these walls? I certainly can, yet it seems to recede into the background the moment I cross the threshold. The atmosphere this morning is extremely restorative. There's a crispness in the air, and a faint breeze is rustling through the canopy above. I've been tending to this patchwork of roses and sunflowers for several years now, and I have to say, they've never looked quite this vibrant. Oh, look! There's a robin perched precariously on the fence. Can you hear him? His melody is surprisingly intricate. It feels less like a simple bird song and more like a carefully composed performance. Don't be startled by that sudden rustle in the undergrowth. You might be tempted to think there's something wild lurking in the shadows. But I can assure you, it's nothing of the sort. It's just my cat, Sunny. She's an orange and white tabby who has spent the vast majority of her existence dozing in this very spot. Given that she's well into her twilight years, she much prefers basking in the sun to chasing local wildlife. In my view, the demands of contemporary life can be utterly draining. I'm firmly convinced that carving out a space for reflection is fundamental to our mental well-being. This garden isn't just a way to kill time, it's a sanctuary where I can effectively unplug from the digital world and truly recharge. It gives me the opportunity to ground myself and to think things through. Taking a break can often be very productive. What about you? How do you manage to offset the pressures of a demanding schedule? Is there a specific environment that helps you find your center? Or do you have a hobby that allows you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life? I'd be fascinated to hear your take on it.